In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix unable to change country region in App Store on iPhone. If you're stuck trying to switch your App Store country, it usually comes down to three common blockers: active subscriptions, an Apple ID balance you haven't spent, or being part of family sharing. We'll clear each one in order, then update your region successfully. First, cancel any active subscriptions. You can't change regions if anything is still renewing. Open Settings, tap your Apple ID at the top, and choose Subscriptions. Give it a moment to load. If you see any active subscriptions, tap into each one, scroll down, and tap Cancel Subscription. Repeat this until none show as active. Remember, this includes app subscriptions as well as Apple services like music, TV, iCloud storage, or bundles. If you recently cancelled, wait until the end of the current billing period for the change to fully take effect. Next, check and spend any Apple ID balance. Even a few cents will block the region change. Open the App Store. If a prompt appears, tap Done, then tap your profile icon in the top right. Look for a balance displayed on this page. If you don't see it, tap Add Money to Account. Your current balance appears at the bottom. If there's anything left, spend it completely on apps, in-app purchases, or media. If you can't spend the exact amount, contact Apple support and request they remove the remaining balance for a country change. After that, make sure you're not in family sharing. Family sharing links all members to the same region, so you need to leave the group first. Open Settings, tap your Apple ID, then select Family Sharing. If you're part of a family, leave the group. If you're not the organizer, you may need the organizer to remove you before you can proceed. Now you're ready to change your country or region. Open the App Store, tap your profile icon, then tap your account name at the top. Choose country region, then tap Change Country or Region. Select your new country and follow the on-screen steps. You'll be asked to accept terms and provide a valid billing address and payment method that works in the new country. Payment options often differ by region, so pick one supported there. Once these steps are complete, your App Store country or region should update successfully. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, like the video and subscribe for more App Store tips and tutorials.